Hello everyone, I'm LT. Today I got this new iPhone 16 Pro Max, so let's unbox this so we can see what's inside. Make sure to click subscribe, like, click that bell button for my upcoming videos. Here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Here's the side of it. One side say iPhone, the side say iPhone. Top and the bottom has this Apple icon to it. Here's the side. Just look at it here. The side. I like the feeling of this, the hard case. Look, it feels nice. It feels nice. And here is the back side of it. They tell you which model of the iPhone you're getting, the size as well. So here's the back of it. Yeah, I just like the feeling of the new box here. This new box of this iPhone, very good. So let's tear this up. Let's take this top part here. Get this out. Bottom. Out here. So here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look gorgeous, huh? It look nice. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the black titanium color. This phone is 512 gigabyte. So this is iPhone 16 Pro Max. It comes in 256 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte, 1 trillion gigabyte, roughly $1,200, $1,400, $1,600. So I picked the middle storage side, the 512 gigabyte. This is an unlocked phone. Look very nice here, gorgeous. Let me take this out here, see what's in it. Put this aside. Put this side by side, it's the phone. And on the other side is the label. You can see the phone here. It gives you some signal of what these buttons are on it. Here's the side, here's the front of it. So here's the phone. You can see, look at the camera here. It has a 3 camera lens on here, massive size. It's like up to 10x optical zoom range on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You have the first button here is like a silent button, you know, the old one, you click it, so that you just press on it. And you have this volume on and off, and you have this camera control button and the power button on and off here. Here it is, front side. Turning this around here. box. This phone cable for charging the phone, and that's it. This phone cable charger, it doesn't come in that charging with the block anymore. Wall mount connector, so this is just, it doesn't have that wall block charger. So this is just a cable. You can see the textures. It's not those plastic one that you have in the previous past. And this is a USB-C to a USB-C charger. Of course, it's not the USB-A. This is the USB-C charger. You can see it more clear this view. You see it? And you can see it, right? So that is it. That is the cable. Let me try to open this. Here we go. You can see it? There we go. So this is the cable charger, the USB-C to the USB-C charger for your phone. You're gonna need to get the connector or like the wall block charger so you can charge your phone with this cable. Another view to it. This back. Inside this box here, it has this paper here, oval shape or pill shape. It's probably an informational thing to the new phone. Come with really small. Really small. The front is very small. I can't read this. See it? I can't see it. Let me turn this around. Here we go. Okay, I think you can see it here, right? Or a little bit more clear. This fine print, small print, information, warranty on it. I don't think I'm gonna read this, but so small. Let me see what they have on here. Open this. There. Open this. Here we go. Open this. Put this here. So let me see this paper. Okay, so it has a note. It's saying, what is it? You are no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during the iPhone setup. So pretty much you're no longer using the SIM card anymore. This iPhone 16 Pro Max is using the eSIM. And they have this some other warranty information here. That's so small that I'm not gonna read through this. Let me just put this back. iPhone 16 Pro Max is an A18 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU. It has an Apple AI Intelligence, a super high resolution photo camera. It has a battery life longer than the previous one. An optimal internal design, fit larger batteries which work together with the A18 Pro chip to deliver that incredible power efficient performance even with so many new capacity to this. Here it is, this iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's see if I can pull this out. Here we go. Here is the screen. No fingerprint to it yet. Brand new here. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look nice, isn't it? Nice, gorgeous. Bottom view to the charging point. Let's put that. I'm gonna need a case to this before I start using this. Maybe in the next video I'm going to do a case to an iPhone 16 Pro Max. What do you think? I think I should do that, right? So let me just put this back in the box. Do I get that case? Oh, here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you guys got one of this, what color did you pick and store size did you pick? This is it. Make sure you subscribe and comment below and share. Thank you.